Hi, I'm Makenna, and I wanted to take a little bit of time to tell you about my academic journey and how I ended up at the University of Indianapolis. So I'm originally from Birmingham, and I was going to school in the city of Birmingham, Alabama. In that time, I was able to get my Bachelor of Arts in Anthropology with a minor in Japanese and another in Forensic Science. I have always been interested in forensics, so when I started looking for programs, I wanted a program that really focused on the integration of anthropology as well as biology. That led me to finding the Masters of Science in Human Biology program here at the University of Indianapolis, and it is a 2 to 3 year program that directly deals with human biology, everything related to osteology, development, forensics, DNA, anything that you would want to know about humans and how we function, how we work, why we do that, is really important to this. But it's also coming from an anthropological four-field approach, which I think is really important and kind of what drew me to the program. Additionally, it's a very small program. There are only 6 people in my cohort, and I think that that makes the program feel really one-on-one because you have an advisor, yes, but you also get to know all of the other professors both in the biology department as well as other departments around campus. It's really allowed me to feel connected on campus with my professors, which is so important. Being able to have this one-on-one time with my personal advisor, but also talking to professors in my classes has been, I would say, integral to just making me feel like I am on the right track and that even though I don't have all the answers, that's okay. As for the course load for the Human Bio program, it is a lot more than I had to deal with in my undergrad, but that's because this is a master's program, but also because my undergrad degree was anthropology and not as bio-focused. I only took 3 classes this last semester, but they are all really hands-on and focused on making sure that you understand the material and know the content whenever you test in it. And those classes are classes that have a lecture and a lab component. It is a lot of work, but it's so rewarding whenever you get done with it. Also, I really liked that my professors were always there if I had questions. Oh, can you walk me through this? Can we get to a point where I do understand? And I did that quite a few times, and I always felt so good after because it was like a new understanding and then something that it stuck with me even since the test has ended. For me personally, my classes usually have a lecture and a lab component, but I've been in classes that have a lecture and a discussion. There are other classes I know people have been in that require them to go kind of out into the field, but it's kind of nice having classes that aren't just one type of thing. You might enjoy lecture more than you enjoy lab, but the lab is going to strengthen everything that you've learned in the lecture, and even vice versa. And it also helped me never feel like I was bogged down with assignments. And I found that that was really integral in helping me prevent burnout, because I am someone that faces that really hard and knows what it's like to just get tired and weighed down by everything. The classes being structured this way, along with the professors just always being there, was really important to me feeling connected, but also really important to me feeling like I could do it, and I did do it. So that's my academic journey, and I'm so excited to spend the next 2 years here at UIndy in my Masters of Science in Human Biology program, and just to see how I grow as a student and how I grow as a professional, and I'm really excited to see what these next 2 years hold. Thank you, bye-bye!